Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Chart Mojo. In today's video, we will be discussing about market Nifty views which we are looking for the next week, and we will look at some of the FNO counters. So if you remember, we were discussing in the last week about Nifty gap fill area, okay? It was near about 350 level, okay? Or if you would able to clear 18250, 18260 precise level, then we could see some upside. But what we have seen, there was a good volatility in Adani stock as well, okay? And if you remember in our previous video, basically it was simple avoid. So in Adani, if you go long or short, whatever position you take, your SL might get hit. So the volatility is so high that to manage risk in such a counter is very difficult. Now if you see this chart, 17350 gap level is filled, okay. Now what next? For the next week we will see again 18200 to 260 as a critical resistance area, and immediate resistance which we could see is 18,000, okay. Now 18,000 level, if we clear, okay, in the market and not via gap, then we could see on the same day 100 points rally, okay, 100 to 150 point rally in the market. We could play for the intraday. What if we are able to breach 17350? Now 17350 becomes a very crucial support, okay. And if we are able to beat 17350, then 17350 to 300, okay. 17300 50 point buffer we will keep, okay. And if 300 level is taken out, then we will be simply wait for 17k and simply 16.5, okay, 16,500 level. Now what's the probability? Last week we were having a downside bias, okay. This week we are also again carrying the same. There is a downside bias, but I am not particularly assuming or hoping that Nifty will breach 17,350, okay. I am thinking that Nifty will try this time to breach its upward resistance level, okay, or it might go sideways. So this week I am not expecting 17,350 to be broken out, okay. So I will be hoping for an upside play in the Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty as of now. But in stocks, again, we will be going with two short side and one long side as a trade, okay. Now let us go to Bank Nifty chart, and let us see what pattern it is forming. So right now if we see Bank Nifty chart, there was a symmetrical triangle formation, okay, and it has achieved its symmetrical triangle target, okay. 39,300 we were talking about in the last video, near about those level the target has been achieved. Now 42,000 okay, will become very critical resistance area, okay, and this is nothing but your support line of a symmetrical triangle, okay. Now this 42,000 level was also seen on the budget day, okay, and after that we have seen Adani Group stock were hammered down, okay, very badly, and because of which all the banks are also down. But if 42,000 level is taken out by the bank, then again this triangle resistance line which comes near about 42,800 will get achieved in a single day. So if 42,000 is taken out, I would like to play for an intraday trade, okay. Near about 42,800 level will be the target, in which 42,500 would be our first level, okay, and 42,800 will be our second level which we could watch for. And if 42,800 is taken out, then we could expect in the coming week to come 44,000 level. Again, just like Nifty, I am not hoping for a downside breakdown this week, and if it breaches near about 39,300 level, okay, 39,300 to 39,000 level, then we could simply see 37,000 as a level. It can come till there, but on indices we are having a positive side bias, okay, this week to come. If you see the crude oil chart, again the crude oil is showing some weakness We could see a channel formation here. I'm not making it here as the crude is giving us a neutral kind of signal. Okay. If I go to Dow is giving us again a sideways kind of a signal. Okay. And 35,000 is the important level which everyone is looking for Dow to clear out. Okay. But if we see the currency, I am not pulling up the chart here. Currency is again trying to go up. We will see if 83.25 level, 83 to 83.25 level is, act as again as a resistance. If it's not, then I will surely update the chart here as well. Till then, we are looking at Dow in a sideways area as well. Okay. And we could see if Dow clears 35,000, then all the world market would rally. Hoping for upside moment, but let us see what happens in the next week. Now looking at our FNO counter, one is Metropolis, okay, one of the counter which we were looking for, okay. Here can you see this dotted line? This is nothing but, let me change this. Yes, this is falling support line and it is breached, okay. So if we see Metropolis breaking 1200 level, okay, now this is for an intraday kind of a scenario where if Metropolis breaches 1200 level, one can look for 1150, okay, 1150 and 1100 as a target level. 1150 would be the intraday level which you can watch for, and 1100 is where it might take support, okay. So below 1200 you can watch for Metropolis on a sell side area, okay. Delta Corp again, it was showing good strength, okay, earlier, but in the recent month we are looking at Delta Corp again, it is sliding into its weak territory, okay. If we see the chart clearly, this is the COP level, we can see resistance, okay, and here that level has turned into support. Now this support is getting breached, and 185 level, this is the level which we are watching. If 185 level is taken out, then in intraday 180 is the level which one could watch for positional. One could expect it to slide near 160 level, okay. So you can again keep both of the counter, Metropolis, Delta Corp, on your watch list, and if those level breaches, then one can expect some downside level in them. One upside counter, okay, one upside counter which we are looking is Balakrishna Industry. It is formed and triangle pattern, okay, though the symmetry is not good. Let me show you the weekly chart. The symmetry is not that good, but still it has a certain criteria of symmetrical triangle. And if we see 2300 level breaching out in the coming week, we could expect 2400 as an intraday levels and 2500, okay, which will act as a major resistance. This level could be the level for the week which we will watch for, okay. So above 2300, okay, one can go for a long side play, and 2500 should be the positional target. 2400, okay, 20 if you want level, 2360 will be the first level, 2400 would be your second level for the intraday. Positional 2500 which we could go, okay. So guys, this is it for the video, okay. We are having positive bias on the Nifty, but two stocks are for downside, one stock is for upside. I hope you're liking our content. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and share with your friend. It might help them. Till then, take care. I will meet you in the next episode.